tipped away. Here comes Jackson. And the takeaway, team effort there. 3-on-1, behind the back to Harris for the jam.
Doing a great job of blocking out and then going, getting the basketball.
So good at faking from beyond the arc and taking it all the way to the rack. After being traded over from Denver in 2020. Green, the bounce pass on the baseline. Maxey, good head fake, and gets the roll.
A little bit bad about that. We'd be talking about it the next time out.
And that is number 2 already on Olynyk. Ferg, he's so good at that ball fake and then finishing at the hoop. Stialo. Thibault got a piece of it.
Oh, my.
And here comes Matisse. 1-on-2. Thibault kicking at the shake for 3. Milton hits it.
Shot goes up, he crashes. Nobody gets a body on him. Free avenue to that board.
Harris, the pull-up after leaving Grant on the deck.
In Sacramento and Milwaukee.
2 minutes to go, first half.
Good look.
Hayes to Garza, blocked by Max.
Him, you know he's uncomfortable having to move his feet that far away. Tobias cocked and loaded, ready to go.
Jackson driving on Maxey, and Tyrese strips him.
Out as a 5-man unit and you execute it to perfection. That's encouraging to those on the sideline.
Niang on the floor with Jackson. Shot clock winding down on Olynyk and the Pistons. Thibault blocking him from behind. Drummond with a second block in the possession, and here comes Matisse. Ferg from way outside.
Good shake.
Matisse gets a hand to it and forces the turnover. Matisse able to keep it in, and there's Niang for the finish. Oh, look at George go. Full ahead here. Final 4 minutes of this first half. Curry has a deep 2. Harris for 3. Doesn't get the roll. Embiid the offensive rebound and the putback. Initiating, here he goes, getting it over to Joel. Final minute 30, first half. Look at Joel behind the back. Maxey pays it off. For the timeout, 7 seconds on the shot clock. Green gets it into Embiid. Joel, the step back 3, and Joel